Okay guys, the RIUDOR is back open. RIUDOR. That's what RIUDOR looks like. There's the rooms. Goes back open, scooters outside. And there's reception. That's our RIUDOR. A lot of guys have been asking me about this. I didn't think it was reopened, but somebody said it was the other day. I thought I'll come and do a film. It's lovely. Pool's on the side, down the bottom. Top of the coast just here. Right outside, so you won't have to go far for your entertainment. Nothing that's open at the moment. Soon will be, I'm sure. Let me show you this. Top of the coast done like the old Top of the Pops one. Sorry about that guys. There we go, the pool and whatnot. That's the RIUDOR guys. Check it out. Okay guys, I'm going to leave it there. We'll see more from Benidorm. Watch the one coming up in the card now. And we'll see you on the next one guys. RIUDOR is a med player. See you on the next one guys. Bye.